You know what? It's actually kind of fascinating to see the big difference a little color change can make, whether it's your dress, your makeup, or your eyeliner. Hi everyone, it's Smita here, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how different eyeliner colors and styles can change a look completely. So if you're ready, let's begin. For the sake of today's tutorial, I'm just going to be using these gel liner pencils from Colourpop, but you can use whatever you have. If you want it smoky but subtle, go with a brown liner. Tawnies and chocolates and brown shades in general can be less harsh and more flattering to a variety of different complexions as well as eye colors. As brown is a softer color than black, it's going to be less harsh, especially if you have dark circles or under eye bags. And although it's a softer color, you can still create bold looks, like looks for night outs, looks for parties. You can still use a brown liner instead of a black. And when you use a brown liner, your lashes look longer. They stand against a lighter color in the background, so they're more visible. When you're in a mood and you want to show your trendy side, go for a blue liner, especially a navy blue. It makes you stand out in a crowd, and it's a way to add dimension to your face in a dramatic way or even a subtle way. There's a common misconception that you should match your eyeliner with your eye color, but the opposite is often more true. Using contrasting colors will make your eye color pop. And matching your eyeliner with your eye color makes it look more polished. Next, I'm going to lightly coat my top lash line with a black liner. And then I'm going to use a nude liner in my lower waterline to look awake and not hungover. Nude eyeliners in your waterline kind of work like white eyeliners, but they're a lot more subtle and give a more natural look. With that, they blend beautifully with eye makeup looks and your natural skin tone. Just like a black eyeliner, a nude eyeliner is an essential in any makeup collection. It's so versatile and can really elevate your makeup game. And if you want to make your eyes look bigger, use a white liner in your waterline. It creates an illusion that the white part in your eyeball has grown all the way to your lash line, so overall your eyes will look bigger. And of course, we all know deeper colors contour and shrink spaces, while brighter and lighter colors expand them. So next time when you want to feel more awake, shading a white eye pencil in your waterline instantly makes the eyes look wider, brighter, and more awake by seemingly extending the whites of your eyes and covering up any redness in your waterline. This may not be an everyday look, but when you have that grueling week at work or a long night out, this is your best friend. And when you want to look striking and bold, go with a black liner. A black liner is usually a staple in everyone's makeup kit. We usually have a gel liner, a kajal, a kohl, a pencil, a liquid liner, what have you, but we usually have a black liner with us. That's because it's super versatile, and sometimes all you need is a black liner and no other makeup. It can really elevate your makeup game. You can go bold and dramatic, or you can also make it sultry by smoking it out. I'm just using a little bit of black eyeshadow to smoke out my top and lower lash line. Pair it with nude lips for a more polished look and with a red lip for a bolder look. Smoky liners extend your lash line and give the illusion of bigger cat eyes. These are perfect and my personal go-to for parties and events. And if you want to make your smoky eyeliner softer and brighter, use a gray eyeshadow. Smoking a shimmery gray brings the best out of your green eyes, brown eyes, gray eyes, or blue eyes. And of course, you can make it smoky by blending with a brush or just your finger. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comment section below, and let me know if you want to see a part 2 of this. I'll be happy to create it for you. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays. And please don't forget to give me that big fat thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you want to watch more videos like these. For your convenience, I've listed the products that I've used in the description box right below this video, and you'll also find my socials there if you want to interact more with me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.